update. We're out here in the bright sunlight. I don't know how well this is going to film. Couldn't fit this thing in my shop. Working. This is all working. I know you can't see the lights because, again, we're out in the bright sunlight. This works. This is working. That works. And yep, all of those are working. You see the seconds ticking off on all of them, and the minutes are working. So it's all working as intended, with the exception of this part up here. I'll get that working. It's just going to take a little more time on that, and I want to make a quick disconnect so that this can be disassembled and stored and put back together quickly without a technician on site. That's it.